Hi, my name's Robert Chappell with iTech Digital Systems, and I use the iTech TM3 eye tracker combined with voice dictation to compensate for a repetitive strain injury I have. I've had this injury for about 18 years now, and I've used eye tracker voice dictation for probably the last 10 years. And this system allows me to work hands-free. I can still use a keyboard and mouse a little bit, but because of my injury, I try to work hands-free as much as possible. I use a head-mounted microphone for Dragon Naturally Speaking, which you see here. And then the TM3 eye tracking unit sits on the bottom of the monitor there, and it will replace the mouse and track my eyes. So I'm going to take a couple minutes and show you how I can actually use the devices. The first thing we want to do is start the Quick Glance software, which controls the TM3 eye tracker. It comes up and brings up a live video image showing my eyes. Now I will show you how the calibration works. We click on the calibrate button, and then it shows a series of targets on the screen. I just stare at the center of each target. This step teaches the system how to read my eyes and correlate them to points on the screen. Now I am running the system. I'm actually moving the cursor around the screen with my eyes, and I can accomplish things from here. For instance, if I want to bring up the internet, I can come down, click on the start button. Now I'm clicking with an eye blink. Not your natural involuntary eye blink, but I'm doing kind of a slow eye blink, and that registers as a click. So I was able to pull up Internet Explorer, which takes us to the iTech homepage, and I can click on buttons and links and do whatever I need to do on the internet using just my eyes. I have other ways of clicking as well. I can also hold the mouse in my hand. I can click with my thumb. I've also got a foot pedal. I have started Dragon Naturally Speaking 10. So now let's open up a Microsoft Word document and type something. So I'm going to turn the microphone on with my eyes and dictate into this document. The combination of Dragon Naturally Speaking voice dictation software and eye tracking from iTech Digital Systems, correct high tech, cap EYE, cap TECH, provides a complete solution for people suffering from RSI, period. Let me show you another example of using Quick Glance as a mouse replacement. As the toolbar shows, you do have tools for doing different mouse features. You can do left click, left drag, left double click, right drag. There's even a zoom feature. Let me demonstrate that with another program. Coming to the Programs menu, I'm going to pull up Calculator. Now let's go ahead and drag that to a different place on the screen. So I access the drag tool, and then I can move it up to a different spot. And let's switch views to the scientific view. Now say I wanted to click one of those little buttons to change the display format. I could use the zoom feature, so I can come up here. There, I was able to hit that button. So with the zoom feature, you can click on very tiny objects. It gives you a lot of power in things you can do. You can also play games with it. For instance, Free Cell is a good game for practicing your accuracy and use of the eye mouse. So now I'm going to use my system to access my email. First I'll go to my email icon. Let me turn on voice dictation, and I'll do a little work with voice and the eyes. Keith's email address, sales figures, hello Keith, comma, new paragraph. Can you please send me the sales figures for the European Union for the last 6 months? Question mark. New paragraph. I appreciate your help, period. Electronic signature. In conclusion, I'd just like to say that for anybody that has repetitive strain injury, especially if they need to use computers for their job, this is one very effective solution.